So what we see in terms of priority of Ukraine currently, it's of course air defense to protect Ukrainian skies. And you obviously know better than anybody else about Russian attacks on Ukrainian territory, so that's one of our top priorities. The second priority still remains artillery ammunition to stabilize the front line. We hear from Ukrainian commanders from the front line how important artillery still is. In addition to drones is another important capability. Here it's more funding of Ukrainian industry because they're very capable in this. Not so much delivering drones from the Western partners. And then to a certain extent it's what we call electronic warfare. So the electromagnetic spectrum plays an important role in suppression of enemy drones, supporting own drones. So this is still some of the focuses that we have a look on when we look on the basic requirements. So when we talk about the ongoing negotiations, we as in NATO in our headquarters, we focus on our core task. The core task is coordination of Ukrainian support. What we see is no impact of the negotiations, so the flow of material, especially from the US, is constantly going since we started this mechanism in August, and I don't expect any changes in this in the near future, and that's basically what we work on a daily basis for. I think the mechanisms are in place. We see the permanent flow, so European allies and Canada funding the support, and the US is delivering constantly, very reliable. And I don't expect any changes in the future of this. So of course it will be funding, but the idea is to extend the initiative also in the next year in terms of funding, and I'm quite optimistic, and it's important that this initiative and the constant flow of material coming from the US, but also coming from other allies, will continue, because I think this is the most important thing. The constant flow, continued flow of material to support Ukraine with the urgent needs on the front line.